Let's grill the perfect salmon. Today we will guide you through the steps to achieve a delicious and flavorful dish that is sure to impress. Let's start by selecting the freshest ingredients for our marinade. We will be using 1 salmon fillet, about 1 to 1.5 pounds, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 lemon, half juiced, half cut into wedges for serving. Fresh herbs, such as dill, parsley or cilantro, finely chopped salt and pepper to taste. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil, minced garlic, lemon juice and chopped herbs. Whisk the ingredients together until well mixed. Season the marinade with salt and pepper to taste. Once our marinade is prepared, it's time to coat our salmon and let it marinate, allowing the flavors to infuse and create a mouth-watering taste. Place the salmon in a shallow dish or in a sealable plastic bag. Pour the marinade over the salmon, making sure it is evenly coated. Let the salmon marinate in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes or up to an hour for more flavor. Heat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 375 degrees. Use a grill brush to clean the grates before oiling them lightly to prevent sticking. Remove the salmon from the marinade, letting excess oil drip off to prevent flare-ups. Place the salmon skin side down on the grill. Grill the salmon for about 6 to 8 minutes on one side, depending on thickness. Avoid moving the salmon to get a good sear. Carefully flip the salmon over using a spatula, and grill for another 3 to 5 minutes on the other side, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Remove the salmon from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes. This helps the juices redistribute throughout the fish, making it even more flavorful. To finish off, we will plate our grilled salmon with a fresh lemon wedge and some herbs for a beautiful presentation that matches the exquisite flavors. For an extra touch of flavor, top the salmon with a dollop of dill sauce or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice before serving. Serve alongside grilled vegetables such as asparagus or zucchini, and a side of quinoa or roasted potatoes for a complete meal. Remember, with a few simple steps, you can create a dish that is both simple to make and incredibly delicious. Whether you're a novice or an experienced griller, this recipe is sure to be a hit. Enjoy your perfect grilled salmon. Like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.